Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can reset this device through recovery mode. Now typically I would say that this would remove screen locks and all that stuff. It still could remove screen lock. Actually, I think it will. I'll test it out just to be certain. So I will select or set up a screen lock, and then we'll see if it actually allows me to get rid of it without confirming it. But usually I would also say that afterwards the device becomes locked and you can just unlock it, providing PIN, pattern, password, and or your Google account or Samsung account. And additionally, I would add that you can bypass this, which I'll show in the next video. But at the moment of recording this, there is no bypass. So if you do this and the device becomes FRP locked and you don't know either your PIN, pattern, password, and your Google account or Samsung account, the device basically becomes a brick till you manage to find out what the password or pattern or whatever it is that is protecting it is. And then you verify it, and from there you can finish up the setup. Now chances are later on into the future there will be a bypass, which I will record it once there is. So this will allow you to just completely bypass this, get rid of it completely without verifying anything. But at the time of recording this video, there isn't a way. Now anyway, I'm gonna now set up that password. Can I just actually, it's gonna be screen lock. Screen lock type. So I'll select a pattern. There we go. It's select done. Turn on remote now. Okay, so now we have a screen lock, right? Yes, we do. So to begin, you will need a cable that you can plug into your computer. So I'm going to connect it right now. There we go. And I'll obviously connect it to the phone. And there we go. Now we don't need to grant any access to it or anything like that. We just need to need it to be plugged in, because that's the way you access recovery mode. So right now what we're going to be doing is holding power key and volume down, and while holding those keys you want to interact with the display just so it's going to keep being lit up. Otherwise it's going to time out while you're holding those keys and turn off, and this is one of the ways you will literally see when the phone actually turns off by holding the power key and volume down. So anyway, I'm gonna hold both of those keys right now. Oops, I'll try it again. So it's giving me this. I cannot select anything here because it would tell me to put in my pattern anyway. Okay, it turned off. Once it turns off, you want to switch to power key and volume up. Now when you see the Galaxy Edition on the Samsung rating, you can let go of the power key, and from there it should bring us to the recovery mode. At this point we don't need our cable anymore, and in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options, as you can see, and power key will be utilized to confirm whatever is selected. Now what we want to select in here is wipe data factory reset. Confirm that. Select factory data reset. As you can see, it's already finished. Data wipe complete. Reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once more, and this will continue now the process of resetting your device. So it will take it a minute or so to finish up, and once it is, we should be presented with the setup screen. And as you can see, it also removed the protection and the screen lock. It didn't need to be verified anywhere, so yeah, like I said, it just gets rid of it, but it will mean that the device becomes locked later on if you are logged into a Google account. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So this was a really quick reset right here. And just to hammer down what I was saying before, the phone right here isn't locked. As you can see, there is no little lock right here. But if you see this lock right somewhere in here and you're going through the setup process, it will tell you that you need to connect to Wi-Fi, and from there it will tell you that you need to most likely verify either PIN, pattern, password, or the Google account. This will only appear if you had your device signed into a Google or Samsung account. If it was just protected by a screen lock like my device was, then you should have no problem. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.